Hello, hello! This week has been a fantastic one for biotech stocks. Almost 300% gain for QURE, 150% for MBX, and 200% for PEPG. Let's break them down, but after so many videos and so much learning, have we actually managed to catch some of those gains? Do the lessons we share on this channel really work? Stick around because the taxi is starting up. Welcome to Taxi Biotech, a show to keep up with the latest news and updates from the world of biotechnology and to learn about its impact on the stock market. The stock data I present here is just a reflection of how companies or their clinical trials are progressing and does not constitute any investment recommendation. This is purely for entertainment. Well, guys, things are heating up. We've already got 103 videos in Spanish and in English. And almost every week we analyze the top biotech stocks and try to learn why they went up. We built a list of takeaways we can apply in the future. After analyzing the financial results from last quarter and sharing them on X, follow me on X, I put those lessons into practice. I was 100% transparent and shared my strategy in one of the latest videos, this one. I'll leave link up here, and I also post my year-end positions on X. MBX, Crinetics, and Mario Biopharma. Of course, none of this is financial advice, but MBX, which had positive phase 2 data, shot up more than 150%. Crinetics got its new drug approved, just as we thought, with gains around 30%. And now the only one left is Mario Biopharma for year-end, and it's been taking off in the past few days. So yes, I am really happy, but without a doubt, luck has also been on our side this week, and we must always be prepared for an 80% drop, not uncommon in biotechnology. This week, one of the news stars was PEPG. It surged because they present positive data for their drug targeting myotonic dystrophy type 1. We mentioned 6 months ago that the drug looked promising and that we should watch for pullbacks. Since that video, the stock gained more than 132%. Video link up here. Another big winner this week was QURE, skyrocketing nearly 300%. And could we have seen it coming? Honestly, yes, there were clues. Look at the chart. 2 major upward moves, one in December and one in July 2024. Both line up with key news for this drug. December here with an FDA meeting, and July when they presented biomarker results showing the therapy was working. These were signals of a possible positive trial outcome. And that's exactly we've got on September 24th. Positive results in Huntington's patients, showing a 75% reduction in disease progression with a microRNA interfering with the protein that caused it. A milestone no one has achieved until now. In their July financial report, they told us they would share news in September and confirm they had enough cash to continue research through 2027. These are the kind of parameters I include in my strategy. The truth is, they communicate the financial report a bit too early and I didn't have time to analyze it properly. But no doubt we are writing this lesson down for other companies. And lastly, let's talk about the rebound of applied therapeutics. After dropping 90% back in December, typically biotechnology, the stock shot up more than 100% in the last week. And now they are falling 62% in pre-market. So why did it climb so much? Well, because they updated a clinical trial on the site clinicaltrials.gov about their flagship drug govorestat. However, it wasn't really an update. It was actually the start of a brand new trial that won't wrap up until 2029, designed to address a clinical hold they had last November. So honestly, guys, I see that as a way too far out in 2029. So that's why it's dropping today in pre-market. Could be a good move to do a short on Friday, last Friday, but it's biotechnology, and for me it's too risky to do some shorts in these speculative moves. And that is for today. The ride of this taxi ends here. We are wrapping up in Calpe, which I visited last week. And let me tell you, it's a beautiful, wonderful tourist destination in Spain. Goodbye and see you in another episode. Bye.
Generate by AI.